the fuck? I don't like dark skinned people. As you can tell by you and any of my other exes, you know, and that bitch in my phone, I do not like dark skinned people. Like, I'm not with that Kunta Kinte shit. I can't do it. Like, I can't. Guess who's gonna be on the Bad Girls Club?
My
This
sister.
bitch right here.
Oh, you applied too?
I mean, no, but not yet. You gotta be like 21, at least.
Oh.
I know Judy though, so it don't matter.
Who is Judy?
Judy Jane.
I don't watch Bad Girls Club.
Oh, yeah. That's my bitch. She not my bitch. Cause she got an ass beat and I stopped being friends with her after that. But I had kicked with her the other day.
She got her ass beat.
She did. Look it up. Judy J versus Priscilla.
This happened this season or something?
No, this is like a minute ago.
A week ago?
I'm gonna show you her picture. Do you know what they look like?
I don't watch Bad. I'm not gay. I don't watch Bad Girls
They
Club.
don't they bad girls, motherfucker. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. She don't have no ass. She's Creole.